Welcome back. You're watching Maggi Kitchen Journeys, an initiative to help you start your kitchen journey. Now that finance doesn't scare you, let's take you to step 2, managing cash. I know you're already struggling with questions like, do you need a separate bank account for your business, how to track your cash flow, payment gateways, etc., etc. Relax, because there are just a couple of things that you need to put in place before starting your own venture. Watch this video to know about all these in detail. Thank you.
There's a time when this would have happened in cash, but in today's world, you would probably prefer to do this electronically. So let's walk through what you need to know about managing the cash flow of your business. Hi, I'm Hansi. I've worked in finance for 20 years, and now I work from home to teach people like you how to manage and make money. So today we will discuss setting up bank accounts and the systems to track the cash. Step 1, open a bank account. A lot of people ask whether you need to open a separate account for your proprietorship business. I'd say it's a good idea to separate your personal and business so you can keep a better eye on both. If you set up a company, you will need to set up a separate account anyway. If you expect frequent transactions, you can open a current account. Unfortunately, it doesn't pay you as much interest as your savings account. But that's okay because you will probably use your money for your everyday requirements like buying ingredients and paying overheads anyway. Some banks offer special current accounts for startups that allow nil or minimal cash balances. Others offer overdraft facilities and payment gateways. Some might help with accounting and tax. Make sure you ask about these and any other features for startups. For me, the availability of a good phone app was most important as it allows me to check balances and make payments on the go. Do shop around a little bit to get the best account for your needs. Step 2, payments. You need to make it easy for your customers to pay you. If you're selling wholesale, they may be happy to give you a check or do a bank transfer. But if you're selling retail, you need multiple options, from credit cards and debit cards to wallets. You should also check out the latest government initiative, which is probably the cheapest. It's called UPI. Most banks have integrated it, or you can use the government app called Bheem. Step 3, track your cash flow. Once you have your banking and payment system sorted, it's time to set up a cash flow tracking system, because you need to track and manage all the money you get and, more importantly, all the money you spend. Basically, you need to keep a record of every transaction, every expense and every sale. If you're comfortable with Microsoft Excel, you can use that. It's probably the best way. You will need to set up 2 sheets, one for income and the other for expenses. In the income sheet, you will need the following column headings: date of invoice, invoice number, client name, amount, tax, and date collected. In the expense sheet, your column headings will be date paid, to whom, for what, paid electronically or by cash. Make sure you include all cash transactions. So it's best if you make it a daily habit of recording your transactions. You can then give this file to your accountant at the end of the month along with your bank statements. He or she will use it to maintain your ledger